Another day, another dollar. Holler. Let's see here. Get my drink ready. Get my PPEs on. Just can't mess up the fit, right? Right? And shoes. Who needs shoes? Fuzzies. All day. Gloves. Difficult gloves. Man, I don't need that glove. I'm ready for this. Oh, I'm going wrong. God. Well, didn't mess up the outfit. At least I had my apron on. Gloves. This is why you wear gloves, I guess. Okay. It's not that bad. I could use it tomorrow.